Start by going to cafepress.com and click on Open Your Own Online Store. Then click Create My Shop. To create an account, you'll need to enter some basic information. If you meet all requirements, click the checkbox and then click Join Now. Here we are at step 1 for opening a shop. First, you'll need to select the name for your shop. The name should be short but descriptive. Your shop ID becomes part of the URL. I want my URL to be cafepress.com/cafepresslogo. Fill out the remaining questions. And agree to the Content Owner Agreement before clicking Save and Next. Step 2 is the fun part. This is where you'll select a theme for your shop design. Browse through the themes to select the one that you think fits your shop best. Don't worry, you can always change it. On step 3, choose the products you'd like to start with. To keep things simple, let's use one of our pre-created product sets. Again, you can always change things later. Lastly, you're ready to upload your design and put it on the products you just chose. I already have artwork, so I'll click Upload New Image. Read through and verify that your content meets our image guidelines. Now you can browse your computer to upload your image. Once the image is uploaded, you'll name it, describe it, and enter keywords. That's it. Now you just click Create My Shop, and you can visit your shop to see what it looks like. There it is.